Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today, I hope you're learning some things with me today about mango fragrance oil. So, I'm not getting any promotion for this, I'm just showing you what this oil does. And this oil, and I'm also going to throw some notes as well here so you can see what I'm doing. So yes, as you can see here that this is a 100 ml bottle that I got, and I'm also going to show you how I get it on my skin, because this oil I use it all the time, and you can see here that I can put it on my hand and nothing happen. And it's a blend also, so it have all these different oils in it. So this oil that I'm using, it's just do a test pot on your hand to see if it will burn you or anything like that, because different oil with different people will burn you. But it's this oil can use on your skin. It can reduce redness. It can clean your pores. I mean, this mango fragrance oil here, you can use it in so many different product, from face cream to body wash, to room spray, toilet spray. I mean, I even use some of this oil in my laundry when I'm washing. So yeah, just go ahead and put a cap full of this in your laundry or your dryer. I mean, it's not gonna do anything. They're just gonna come out smelling wonderful. This oil can also prevent wrinkles. Mango oil is also good for the hair as well, and smoothing, moisturizing, thicken hair, and a whole bunch of stuff you can use this mango oil in. This can relaxes you, this mango oil. This is one of my popular oil that I use around here. I use it in soaps, body scrub, face scrub. I mean, so many different ways. Room sprays. Yeah, it's this is a sweet aroma oil. It can also uplift you, energize you, and boost your spirit. It depends on how you want to use this oil. You can use this oil also in bath bombs, facial or skincare products, hair products, home cleaning products. I mean, you can go on and on about this wonderful oil. You can also use it in summer perfume. It can drive a hint of perfume. Tropical perfume seeking capture in a bottle, as you will say. Yeah, it's this mango fragrance oil here is, you can see here, I mean, it's oily, but not that oily, as you can see on my hand, because I put a lot there. And always, as you can see, I have it on my hand here, but always do a test run, because like I said, some oil can burn you, and there's a difference between oil